Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish curry without coconut. We'll create a delicious and light dish using fresh ingredients. First, gather your fish, like cod or tilapia, and essential aromatics. You'll need about 1 pound of fish, 2 medium onions, and 2 ripe tomatoes. We'll also use a blend of spices to build a rich, flavorful base that truly shines without any coconut milk. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute. Then, add 1 cup of tomato puree and cook until the oil separates, about 5 minutes. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to introduce the star of the dish, the fish. Gently place your 1 pound of fish pieces into the simmering curry. Pour in about 1½ cups of water or fish stock to achieve the desired consistency. Bring the curry to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes, allowing the fish to cook through and absorb all those wonderful flavors. To finish our delightful fish curry, stir in 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright, tangy kick. This really elevates the flavor profile. Finally, garnish generously with a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro leaves. Serve this hot, flavorful, and light fish curry with fluffy steamed rice or warm flatbread. It's a truly satisfying meal, proving you don't need coconut for an amazing curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.